Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into how you can supercharge your WordPress site by optimizing your images. Let's face it, speed matters, and so does user experience and SEO. Here's a quick rundown of the 10 steps you need to follow. First up, choose the right file format. JPEGs are great for photos, PNGs for transparency, and WebP for the best of both worlds with smaller sizes and high quality. Next, resize your images before uploading. No one needs a 4000 px wide banner image. Use editing tools to scale them down to what you actually need. Step 3. Compress those images. Tools like TinyPng or ImageOptim can help you out, and for automation, check out WordPress plugins like Smush or ShortPixel. Number 4. Use a CDN or content delivery network. Services like Cloudflare or KeyCDN can drastically improve delivery speeds by storing images on multiple servers worldwide. Step 5. Enable lazy loading. This means images only load when they come into view. Luckily, WordPress has this feature built in by default now. 6. Use responsive images. WordPress automatically creates different sizes of your images. Use the attribute to make sure the right size loads on the right device. Step 7. Optimize your image metadata. Add descriptive alt text for accessibility and SEO, and use clear and relevant file names. 8. Leverage caching with plugins like WP Rocket or W3 Total Cache. This stores optimized images locally for faster serving. Step 9. Convert images to WebP format. Plugins like WebP Express or ShortPixel can automate this, giving you smaller file sizes without losing quality. And finally, regularly remove unused images. Keeping your media library clean reduces server load and improves performance. By following these steps, you'll see faster load times, better user experiences, and a nice boost in your SEO rankings. Happy optimizing, folks. Catch you